everybody, it's Jerry. This is another video from the river, and we're doing some cooking. I am making some chicken and beef fajitas on a homemade redneck aluminum foil wok. Whatever, what the fuck ever you call it. But it is smelling good, it's great and all. Got aluminum foil over a, I don't know what the hell you call that thing, on a little rack. And while I was cutting that stuff up, I sliced off the tip of my thumb. And that was with the Mora knife. From the Redneck Renegade. But I did. I mean, that's a sharp ass knife. That is a damn hell of a knife. I was going to use. I was bringing the Mora from Mike Favia, the one he sent me. But it's in my daughter's bag. She left the other day, and yeah. Well, anyway, I got doctored up by another gift from the Survivor Junkie. This is a first aid kit from the Survivor Junkie. I'm not going to show you guys what's all in it because I'm not able to hold my phone and unzip that and all. I'm injured. But anyway, Survivor Junkie is having a giveaway. It's another first aid kit. It's even better than the one I have, and I damn sure appreciate it. So, if you can, go check him out. If you can't, go check him out anyway. There's the wife. She's playing a video game and laughing at me. It's dark as hell out here. I don't know how the fuck I mean, the camera looks like it's daylight or something. But it's not. And I have to tend to the food with a special wooden spoon made by the dollar store. Special made by the dollar store. Anyway, I'm out of here. You guys take it easy. I'll see you next time around.